So here's how to fix Roblox error code 279 or failed to connect to game ID 17. So first make sure you go to Roblox website server status and make sure the Roblox servers are all operational and there is no downtime or maintenance, because that could be the main problem. So if the servers are operational, you can simply click on the Windows Start button here and then go to Settings, and then in the search bar type Troubleshoot and then click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. And now first we want to troubleshoot the internet connection, so click on it and click Run the Troubleshooter, and now click on Troubleshoot my connection to the internet, then wait for it to detect any problems, and then it should tell you whether there are problems detected and ways to fix them. You can also scroll down and click on the network adapter and then run troubleshooting, and then select which adapter you're using, then click next. And that should scan and troubleshoot your network adapter, and it should give you notifications if any problems were detected and how to fix them. Now you can simply close this and now try to run the game again and make sure you log in with your account and see if it works. Now if it still doesn't work, try to restart your router and then try to restart your PC again and see if it works for you, and that should mainly fix the problem because it's a network problem. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.